After getting a chiropractic adjustment, there's remarkable increased activity in the brain to improve the brain health and the brain function. If you're worried about dementia or Alzheimer's, or if you've had brain injury, taking a look at Heidi Havoc's newest research will really inspire you. And I've talked about all these things many, many times, because if you have a brain injury, the leading physicians that are helping people with brain injuries recover speedy and effectively are chiropractors. Dr. Ted Carrick, who I mentioned before, is actually now at Harvard taking care of the research for brain and trauma. Amazing work he does.